Yeah, so good evening to all of you. Okay, so let me start things today, right? So do you have any questions to ask related to previous thing or something? Yeah, okay. So room number 1 students, okay. So I gave this problem to you, right? So are you discussed this? Aina, you have some question?
सर सर जब हम फैमिली ऑफ सेट्स को डिफाइन करते हैं तो हमें ऐसे लिखते हैं एफ इक्वल फैमिली ऑफ सेट्स इंडेक्स्ड बाय आई। तो जब हमें पर्टिकुलर एक क्वेश्चन दे दिया जाता है जिसमें आई वगैरह डिफाइन हो तब हम फैमिली ऑफ सेट्स में उसके सेट के बारे में कुछ लिखेंगे क्या?
No, actually thing is that your voice is breaking. I'll get back to you, Aina. Just give me some time, right? Okay. Yeah. 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 So so room number 1 students. Yeah. So can you tell me that are you able to discuss this question? So question number 1 is
Yes,
that
sir.
if x, yeah, so x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So questions are these. So one mentor, can you call one person?
Mohan.
Mohan, before going to that, so let me introduce the questions. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements in a set. Let A be the collection of all subsets of X having 3 elements. List all the elements of A. Okay, what is A? You need to explain first. What is the intersection of any two elements in A? What we can say about that? Okay, how many elements are there in A? What is the intersection of any 3 elements in A? What is the intersection of all elements in A? So can you generalize to any set n elements with of course Q4 and Q5 only, not other things, okay, related to Q4. Intersection of any 3 elements here with respect to 4 here. So can you generalize it to n? Okay, that is the question. Okay. Yeah, Mohan. So tell me.
So A is basically the set which consists of a subsets of the set X, and we take 3 elements of it. So if we take a permutation of this,
No,
then
no.
it will be
Can you give me one element in A now? First, can you give me one element in A?
one element would be 1 2 3, or
Okay.
we can take 2 3 4, any three pairs we can make
Three
group them.
elements. Okay. Is it? I'm what I'm writing. Are visible to you? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So is it an element? 1, 2, 3 set is an element in the set.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you give me one more?
2 3 4.
Okay. 2, 3, 4. Better go systematically. What do you mean by systematically? So first you start with 1, right? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay. Then 4. Correct.
4.
That will be little
Yes.
easy for us. Yeah. Next.
Next 2 3 4.
No, no. See, 1, 2, 3.
Acha 1
4.
3 4. We can write 1 3 4.
Because 1 and 1 I am fixing. With 2, I got 2, right? Now 1, 3, 4. Okay. And any other?
And last one would be 2 3 4.
Yeah. Now with the starting one, we do not have any. So 2, 3, 4, right? Yeah. So these are all. Is it the set A?
Yes, sir, this is the
Yeah.
set A.
Okay. Yeah. Now can you call one from your room from other person?
Rajan.
Rajan. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Rajan, what are the elements in A first?
The elements in A will be 1, 2, 3.
No, what are those actually? Do not tell 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is not numbers, right? 1, comma 2, comma 3.
Yeah,
What
yes.
are the elements in A?
Sir, I'm not able to understand your question.
What is not understanding? What are the elements in A? For example, I write my A is equal to cat, comma dog, right? What
Yes,
are the
sir.
elements in A now?
Sir, animals?
Okay, what are those? Not all animals, right?
No, not animals, basically.
What are there? What are there here? Cat and dog, right?
Yes, sir.
Like that, what are the elements in A first? So here you told animals, right? Like that, you can tell here also.
So,
You told.
so here they are numbers, right?
Like you told here, they are animals. You told like that. What is that you tell? You are they are numbers. This is a number.
So basically, R cross R, basically that
No,
is the
no,
represent
no. Okay. Yeah, you
subsets,
can
and so
call somebody else. Okay, no problem. No
subs.
problem. You can call somebody else. Can you call somebody else in your room?
Okay. So Om.
Home. Yeah.
It's a,
What
this
are the
is a
elements in A?
index set of
What are the elements in A? What are the elements in A? Here elements are animals, right? Cat, dog, like that. Here, what are the elements in this set? What are the elements in
so
G3? What are the elements in G3?
it's a
What are the elements in G3? Every day you are coming to the class, right? What are the
students of
elements?
G3.
Huh? Huh? Yes, please. What are the elements in G3?
R1, R2, R3, R9, R9.
These are the elements in
So
G3. This is what I
R1,
have discussed
R2,
last few
R9,
days.
R9.
These are the elements in till now I am
No, sir.
discussing. What is happening actually?
Students of G3.
Students of G3. Why you are telling the rooms? Okay. No, this is not I told about G3, right? This is set of students in this, right? Okay. Now, what is the difference between this set and G3? You tell me
Yes,
now.
sir.
What is the difference between this set and G3? What are the elements of G3? What are the elements of G3? X belong to
Uh,
G3. What is X?
X is a breakout room.
X is a breakout room. This is not G3, right? You yourself told. X belong to
So,
G3 means X is what?
sir,
Okay.
X
You
is a
can,
student.
no, wait. You can call some other person.
Uh, Baljinder Kaur.
Yeah, Baljinder. X belong to G3. What is X?
Student.
It is a student, right? Yeah. Now in this set, I am calling this as some set B. What are the elements in this set?
R1, R2, R3, so on,
What is R1?
R9.
What is R1?
Rooms.
Rooms, but is it rooms or what is R1 contains? What is R1
Room
contain?
number one. Students of room number one.
Students of room number one. What is the R1? It is not room number. What is that R1? R1 itself is a set, right?
Yes.
R1 itself is a set. Okay. R1 is a set.
Set of
R2 is a set.
students. Set of
Sorry.
student that in room number
Uh,
one.
right. But that is okay. Set of students, but it is a set, right? You are describing the set, but it is a set, right? R1, R2, R3, R9, they are sets. Correct? Like that, what are the
Yes.
elements in A? That is the question I asked. They are sets first. They are sets. They are subsets of X. Which subsets? Like here, R1 is students of room 1. Like that, what are these sets? These are sets with exactly containing 3 elements. Correct? Like that, you need to explain. You need to discuss. Okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Mohan, how many elements are there in A?
4.
4. Yeah, can you tell me intersection of any two here? What is happening? If I take any two elements here, what about their intersection?
It would itself be a set which will have 2 elements.
Okay. What is intersection of 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 2, 3, 4?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. So is it true for any two here? If I take any two intersection exactly containing two elements?
Yes, sir. It will
Yeah.
be true.
Okay. What about if I take three elements here?
If we take
Is
3
it
element, then we'll get a singleton set which will have only one element.
right? What about I intersect all the four?
Then we'll get a null set because they'll have nothing in
Null
common.
set means you will not get certificate, right?
Yes, sir. Empty.
Empty set. Okay. Empty set. Okay. Yeah, null set is null set and 5 we are not using. We are using it is a empty set. Okay. Is it all of you clear? Okay. Why this question I gave is yesterday one of you asked me So if I look at this A is a family of sets. It contains sets inside sets, right? Each element is a set. Okay. Now these sets have a beautiful property. If I intersect all of them, then it is an empty set. That means they are disjoint sets. It is a disjoint family of sets. But if I take any two of them, their intersection is not empty. That means they are not mutually disjoint, but they are a disjoint family. This A is called a disjoint family of sets. Okay. It is called disjoint family of sets, but not mutually disjoint. But not mutually disjoint family of sets. I have not written everything. Okay. So can you generalize this? Okay. So yeah, one of you now from room number 1. How do you generalize this? Question number 6. Anyone other than Mohan? Anyone of you want to say? Okay. Mohan, are you able to say something?
Yes, sir. If we take three elements, like if we have a set of n elements, and if we take intersection of any three element, it would be a set consisting of n minus 2 elements.
No. You have to take this. So generalizing meaning is that here I took 4 elements and I take a sets with 3 elements. What is 3? 3 just one less than 4, right? Like that. You take a set with n elements. Okay. Take set with n elements and try a set of all. Can you say now set of all subsets?
Set of all subsets of
Yeah.
n with n elements.
N elements, n minus 1 elements.
Okay.
Because 4 elements, I took 3 elements, right? N elements, I take n minus 1 elements. And again try. If you take any 2 or 3 or like that, so the intersection at least one will be there. If you intersect all of them, then only you will get empty set. Okay? All of you
Yes.
think, so okay, now all of you, can you tick yes if you understand the problem fully? Can you tick yes? See, first, that is very important, all of you, that what are the elements actually? Elements themselves are sets, right? X belong to G3 means what is X? X is a student. For example, if I write B equal to R1, R2, R9, what are these R1, R2, R3? First, they are sets. Okay? They are sets. They element themselves are sets. Like that, पहले वो क्वेश्चन पूछना है आपको, एलिमेंट्स कैसे दिख रहे हैं? That is very crucial. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Now we'll go to the room number 2. Right. So here what is the question given? M2 of R denote the set of all 2 by 2 matrices with entries R as real numbers, right? So let the indexing set be R, means real numbers. Can you construct a mutually disjoint family of subsets of M2 of R? Meaning, so you are collecting all family like this. So that means for each real number, you are constructing a subset of M2 of R, right? So can you find, is there anyone can you found one way for this? Question number 1, room number 2. Any one of you?
Yes, sir. Like
Hmm.
we
So what is the set you created? What is AR? Yeah, tell me.
so we can list the a matrix of 2 cross 2 such that their determinant is equal to R.
Oh, it's wonderful. Okay. All of you understand what she's saying. What is your name, please?
Sannidhi Chandra.
Nidhi. Okay. So all of you listen what Nidhi is told, right? She is collecting the matrices such that determinant of this matrix ABCD is equal to R. Okay. ABCD is equal to R. Okay. So what is A0? Somebody else, Nidhi, can you call one person from your
So,
room?
but for getting me this question, my roommates helped me. This is not mine answer actually.
That is okay.
My
That is
roommates,
okay. Can you call one person? That's okay. Can you
Jasmine.
call? What is A0? Can you call one person? They will explain.
Select 2 by 2 matrix A0 equal to 2, 0, 0, 2. Diagonal
2, 0,
matrix 0, 2.
0, 2. What is the determinant of this matrix?
0.
Why 0? Determinant is 0. You know determinant formula is AD minus BC, right? So determinant equal to R meaning AD minus,
Sorry, identity matrix.
sorry,
Identity matrix.
आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स का डिटरमिनेंट क्या होगा? 1001 का डिटरमिनेंट क्या होता है?
1 minus 1.
Why 1 minus 1? AD minus BC, correct? AD, ABCD. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? डिटरमिनेंट नहीं पता है आपको? Okay, yeah, somebody else. What is A0? I am asking what is A0. AR she told beautifully. AR is ABCD matrices such that determinant equal to R. I am asking what is A0? What is A0 contains? AR contains all matrices with determinant R. What is A0? Yeah, one of you can tell.
So we list the matrix such that their determinant is equal to 0.
Right. What is the set? What is the set contains all ABCD such that AD minus BC is equal to 0? Correct.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. What is A minus 3 contains? What is A minus 3 what is okay? A minus 3 contains somebody from your room?
All those matrices whose determinant is -3.
Minus 3. Right. So can you give me one element in A3? Can you give me one element in A?
-3 0 0 1.
Wonderful. -3001. Determinant is -3. It belongs to A minus 3. Good. AD minus BC, right? So these are all non-empty sets, right? So AR is non-empty. Okay, that is one way to done, right? What is their intersection? For example, what is A3 intersection A5? What is A3 intersection A5? Nidhi, can you tell?
Yes, sir. So empty.
Empty. Why it is empty set?
Because in A3 we are listing the matrix which have determinant 3, and in A5 we are listing a matrix which have determinant 5. So
Right.
a matrix can't be two determinant. Determinant should be union.
Yeah, correct. If you write like X belong to, we need to prove this is empty set. So I take, suppose it is just to start with one element, X belong to A3 and X belong to A5. X belong to A3 means determinant of X equal to 3. X belong to A5 means determinant of X equal to 5. But there is no matrix with two determinants. That's why this is we do not have an element like that. So that's why it is an empty set. Okay, good, nice. You told correctly. What is their union? What is the union of all of them? Okay, AR. Where R belongs to? Yeah, somebody. Mentor, please, can you call people from room number 2? Who is the mentor, please?
Yes, Nitin.
Yeah, Nitin.
Yes, sir.
So I'm doing union AR, where R, small r belongs to.
Yes, sir.
No, see, look at here, the way we constructed, right? AR, A0, A minus 3. So ये R कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
Sir, real number.
Real numbers. No? So what is that I have to write? R belongs to? R belongs to?
Sir, R belongs to real number.
Yeah, so real numbers is R, right? R belongs to R लिखना है, right? Yeah, what is this equal to, right? This is the question. What is this equal to?
Sir, union of
all the sets, these are fine, okay? A0 meaning set of all matrices whose determinant is equal to 0. A minus 3 set of all matrices whose determinant is minus 3. Like that मैंने collect
all the
किया.
matrices with whose determinant is R.
No, that is AR, right? That is single set. I'm changing R na. R belongs to R मतलब क्या है? Right? What is A pi? You tell me first, what is A pi?
Sir, A pi Sir, matrices whose determinant is pi.
Right, correct. Yeah. So this set contains a pi also, right? A pi is subset here, right? Because a pi,
Yes, sir.
pi is also one real number. I am changing all the real numbers, right? Okay, yeah. So can you change your
Sir,
answer? What is this? Yeah.
it is equal to M2.
M2 of R. Okay. You are claiming that it is equal to entire M2 of R, right?
Yes, sir.
So okay. So that for that we need a proof, right? For example, if this is the thing you are thinking, every matrix is in one of the thing, right? That's what you are claiming, right? Okay. So mentor, can you call one more person?
Kamini.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, so these are actually union of AR, right? R changes, set changes, right? Each AR is a set that is subset of M2 of R, correct? What is their union? That is the question, correct? Yeah. So Nitin told that this is equal to M2 of R. How do I prove this? How do I prove this? This is equal to this. How do I prove this? What is that I have to do to prove this? Here we have something, here we have something. I want to show they are equal. How do I prove?
Kamini.
Kamini, yeah.
Yes, sir.
How do you prove that these two are equal? Okay. So anyone ready? Can you tick from other rooms also fine? Can somebody tick? Arpit?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Arpit.
Both of them are subset of each.
Arpit, room number 1 I am talking about. Arpit, not room number 3. Arpit, room number 1. Yeah, go ahead.
So both of them should be the subset of each other.
Yeah, both of them are subsets of each other. So we need to prove that union of AR is subset of M2 of R and M2 of R is subset of union of MR, right? Subset of union of AR. This I need to show. Now I take a matrix. So to show that one, I had to take an element here, right? What do you mean by A belong to this? Some matrix. A belong to union MR. What is the meaning of that, Arpit?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning that A belongs to union AR? Union AR.
Uh, is X belongs to A such that X also or X belongs to AR.
No, here I asked some question. A belongs to union, R belongs to R, such that AR. What is the meaning of this? That is the question I asked. Okay, Jasmine Kaur.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
For all R belongs to R, A belongs to AR.
Union matlab for all. So you are not revised anything at all. Today you are not answering properly at all. Okay, bad luck actually. Aina, you tell me. यूनियन पे होते तो फराल कैसे होगा? Okay, X belong to A1 union A2 union A3. I'm sorry actually today I'm saying like this. X belong to A1 union A2 union A3 मतलब क्या है? X is in all the sets, then only it in the union.
Sir, A belongs to
Okay, no problem.
one
Okay,
of
okay.
them.
Nidhi, can you tell?
Yes, sir. So it means that A belongs to either A1 or A2, A0,
But
A3
here
dot.
it is our real numbers, right? Real numbers may I cannot count all of them, right? So how do you write that?
Yes. There exists
Ah,
for an
so you say that there exists some k or some number, right? Some number
yes,
k belongs to R such that A belongs to AK, right?
yes, yes.
What is how you find this k? How do you find this k? So A is in AK, matlab kya hai? How we defined AR? How you know? How do you know k? That is the important question, right? Are you following? Think about all of you. Sonali, do you know what is that k? How do I find k? Okay, Anchal, can you tell me? Anchal,
So K would be that determinant of matrix AK.
wonderful. AK is not matrix. AK is a set.
Oh,
AK is
हाँ,
set of AK is set of all matrices with determinant k, and A is a
हाँ,
matrix. Then what you do first, you find the determinant of A, because it is a 2 by 2 matrix. उनका determinant आसानी से निकल सकता है AD minus BC. You are correct. First I took A, then I find the determinant of that. If the determinant is k, then I know that A belongs to AK. Right? What do you know about AK and M2 of R? What do you know about that?
that AK is a subset of M2.
M2 because AK is set of all matrices with the determinant is K. But M2 of R is set of all 2 by 2 matrices without any restriction. Okay. You took A in the union. A is in the union means A is in the one of the sets. Okay. Which set it is? I need to figure out. For that, what you done first, what is algorithm? You found that you tried to find the determinant of A. That is some number K. Then I know that A is in AK. What is AK? AK is set of all matrices the determinant K. Now what is the relation between AK and M2 of R? This is subset. So I started AK in the union, then AK is in one of the sets. Okay, and that AK is subset of M2 of R. So I proved that A is an element in M2 of R. Then only proof is over. One direction, right? Now I need to prove other direction. Now I take an element A, let A belongs to M2 of R now, right? Now I need to show that it is one of the sets. Which set it is? That is also comes from here. You can, if you are really understood this, then you can get that also. Now I want to show that A is in the union AR, right? R belongs to R. How do I show that A is in A belongs to, sorry, A belongs to one of the set in the union. That means A is in the union means it is in one of them. How do you find that? Okay, that is the question, right? Yeah. Now, is anyone want to answer this? Let us see. Okay, Sujit Kumar. Okay, Arshita, can you answer that?
Yes, sir.
So A is some 2 by 2 matrix. You know that A is also belong to this union. So how do you prove that? How do you show that?
Sir, we have to take any arbitrary element from the union and show that it is in A also.
No, A is a matrix. So try to understand A is a matrix, and we need to show that A is in one of the A is in the union, right? Okay, I'm clearing now. Is anyone want to speak on that? I'm clearing now. Can you clear going? Yeah. So anyone want to comment? Yeah, Komalpreet.
Yes, sir. So A is a because A is a 2 cross 2 matrix, then it has a determinant which is a real number. So then I
Okay.
can say that it belongs to union.
So you are correct. You are going right correctly. A is a 2 by 2 matrix, and you find the determinant of A. And suppose the determinant is equal to say L. Then how do you show that A is in union of AR, right? How do you show that? So A belongs to which set then?
AL.
AL, right? Yeah. So A belongs to AL, and what is the relation between union AR and R belongs to R, right? What is the relation between AL and union of AR? It is all real numbers. Yeah. What is the relation between these two?
It's subset.
Subset,
Yes.
right? Yeah. AL is only the matrices whose determinant is L, right? But this is union of all of them, so it belongs to that. You see that one problem, how much is there? It is not that easy. Okay. Yeah. So good. So please go through once, and you have any questions you can ask me. So just let me repeat once. What they done is that for each real number, they constructed the sets. For each real number, they constructed the sets. They are subsets of the M2 of R, 2 by 2 matrices. How they constructed? For each real number R, AR is matrices to determinant equal to R. That is beautiful. Okay. So to understand this, what is A pi? A pi is set of all 2 by 2 matrices, determinant equal to pi. Can you give me one element in this? Like she gave very beautifully. Okay, what can you give? One matrix in A minus 3 0 0 1, like that you can easily give now, right? All of them are non-empty easily, right? And you take any two of them, intersection is empty. That also you understood, because if some matrix is in both, then the determinant can be in two different numbers. That is not possible. That also you understood. Now problem came is that how their union equal to M2 of R. Here you stuck. Okay, to show that one, we need to show this is subset of this is subset of this. Okay, you took first A in the union, right? A in the union. It is in the union means it is in one of the sets. You no need of determinant also here. While going this direction, you do not need determinant and all. Just I told asked. It is in the union mean there is a case as that A belong to AK. But while telling it, this part becomes easy. Okay, this part become easy because where A belong to, that is the in the determinant. But here you do not need that. A belong to union means A is in one of them. For some K belong to R, so that A is, but AK is subset, so A is that. So this is done. It is in the union. It is in M2 of R. Now it is an M2 of R. Then it has some determinant. Say determinant equal to L. Then A belong to AL, but AL is subset of union. So I took A in M2 of R. I showed that it is in the union, right? Yeah. Okay. So now can you tick yes if you're clear about till now? Yeah, this is a little tough question, but even then better to have, because we need to respect the people who come up with the setting determinant and all. Okay. These are family of sets. These are family of sets, right? With the indexing set is real numbers. Each real number giving one subset to M2 of R. Okay. Now, what about the question number 2? Is somebody else can give some other way? I'm clearing now. Okay, I'm clearing now. If someone can give me some other way, one is the determinant they told. Do you have any other idea? Any one of you? Okay. Nandini, go ahead. Your room number 2 only, your problem. Yeah.
Yeah,
You
so
got some other idea?
we can take AR to be the set of all those matrices whose summation of entries is R.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Good. Nice. Okay. Summation is equal to that number. Okay. Is there any other person now? In your room, is there any other thing came, Nandini? Yeah. This is also good. Is there any other way? You people discuss, na? Is there any other way you got?
Sir, the time got over, so we only discussed.
Okay, but anyhow, that is good. Is there any other person want to comment? Yeah, Suhani, do you have any other idea?
Sir, the set of 2 by 2 matrices, so that the scalar product with R is equals to the scalar product to the RA, RB, RC and RD, such that the both are the 2 by 2 matrices.
No, I'm not completely clear. Okay, one anyhow. So I'll get back to you because time is there. Yeah. Harshita, you have something?
Yes, sir. The set of matrices whose traces are.
Wonderful. Whose traces are. You see the beauty that how many different ways you are giving. Okay, determinant 1% told, some of the elements you told, trace you told, right? And you can take only first entry A11, right? The 2 by 2 matrices are look like A11, A12 like this, right? A11, A12, A21, A22, right? One can take the first entry itself, okay? Whatever the first entry, right? So first entry is 0. Collect all the matrices, first entry is 0. Collect all the matrices, first entry is 1. Collect all the matrices, first entry is pi. Okay, then also you will get this. Different ways to do, and you come across few ways. Oh, wonderful. Okay, good. Okay, so is it okay now? Is the question clear now? Can you tick yes, all of you? Now can you tick now once? Everything is clear, or any questions you have about this question? Go ahead. Okay, right. So we'll go to the room number 3 now, right? Yeah, good. So room number 3. So my universal set is R2. X is x-axis, y is y-axis. Express x as subset of U. Okay. Mentor from room number 3, can you call one person?
Jocelyn.
Jesslyn, yeah.
So we expressed x equals to a comma b belongs to r square such that b equals to 0. Sorry, I said r square. We have to write u instead of r square.
That is okay.
Instead
That is
of
fine. That is okay, man. That is wonderful. Okay.
and
You are R
belongs to
square both are.
subset of u.
No, that is okay. A comma B belong to R2 such that what is the
b
condition?
equals to 0.
B is equal to 0. Okay. What about y-axis? How do you write that?
We'll write a equals to 0. Same,
A
but
equal
a
to
equals
0.
to 0.
Correct. Okay. A comma B belong to R2 such that RU such that B A is equal to 0. Y also you expressed. What about complement? X complement.
Sir, I have to tell or anybody else?
You tell first. No problem. Tell first.
X complement equals to a comma b belongs to R square such that b not equals to 0.
Very good. Now you can call one person.
Arpit.
Arpit. Yeah. Arpit.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what is X union Y complement?
X union Y complements A comma B belongs to R square such that A is non-zero and B is non-zero.
Belong to R2 such that A is non-zero and B is non-zero. Okay. Why that is so? Can you explain to everyone?
तो X union Y complement में हमारे पास X एक्सिस के एलिमेंट्स आएंगे एंड Y एक्सिस के एलिमेंट्स आएंगे. सो एक्सिस में हमेशा एक ना एक कोऑर्डिनेट हमारा जीरो होगा.
नो गो स्लो. पहले ये बताओ X यूनियन Y क्या है?
सो X यूनियन Y में हमारे X के एलिमेंट्स होंगे नहीं X के एलिमेंट्स और Y के एलिमेंट्स हटा के जितने एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो सारे होंगे. सो हमें X एंड Y complements, sir.
No. I am asking simple one by one. X means X axis, Y means Y axis. Union में क्या होगा? पहले यूनियन में complement.
यूनियन में हमारे पास दोनों एक्सिस के एलिमेंट्स होंगे.
Yeah, okay. So in XY plane, which elements I have to collect? Union पे, केवल union पे.
सर एक्स एक्सिस के एलिमेंट्स और वाई एक्सिस के सच दैट ए कॉमा बी जहाँ पे आइदर ए जीरो हो और आइदर बी जीरो.
Yeah, elements on the x axis or elements on the y axis. The complement मतलब axis में नहीं होना है मतलब they are not zero. Both are not zero. Wonderful, good. You understood that. Okay. So x complement में elements क्या होगा?
एक्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट में एक्स एक्सिस के अलावा जितने भी एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो सारे होंगे.
एक्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन वाई कॉम्प्लीमेंट में क्या होगा?
जहां पे हमारा एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस हटा के जितने एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो सारे होंगे. लाइक फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ एक्सिस हटा के.
Okay. Is the statement true?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is true. So x complement मतलब x axis के अलावा सारी की सारी. Y complement means y axis के अलावा सारी की सारी. Intersection क्या होगा? ये x यूनियन y का कॉम्प्लीमेंट का इक्वल होगा. So you are telling they are all equal. Okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right. Is it all of you are clear? Can you take yes now? Is the questions all of them are clear? How to write and everything clear? X complement, y complement, x intersection complement. ये लिखना सारी की सारी ठीक है? आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Yeah. You have a question. Kushbu. Yeah. Go ahead.
सर एक्स यूनियन वाई कॉम्प्लीमेंट मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया थोड़ा.
हाँ, x क्या है? x एक्सिस. y क्या है? y एक्सिस. यूनियन क्या होगा? x एक्सिस का एलिमेंट्स y एक्सिस का एलिमेंट. दैट मीन्स केवल एक्सिस होगा, राइट? यूनियन में इट इज सम एलिमेंट इज इन द यूनियन. मतलब क्या है? इट विल बी इन द x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस, राइट? इनका कॉम्प्लीमेंट मतलब x एक्सिस y एक्सिस के अलावा कोई भी. x एक्सिस में नहीं है, y एक्सिस में नहीं है, एक्सिस में नहीं है. एक्सिस में नहीं है तो एलिमेंट कैसे दिखेगा? एक्सिस
और
में है तो क्या होगा? एटलीस्ट वन कोऑर्डिनेट इज जीरो, राइट? एक्स एक्सिस में होते तो y कोऑर्डिनेट इज जीरो, y एक्सिस में होते तो x कोऑर्डिनेट इज जीरो. एक्सिस में नहीं होते तो, दोनों एक्सिस में नहीं होते तो बोथ आर नॉन जीरो, राइट?
ओके सर.
Yeah, so they are the elements not on x axis, so they can be in the first quadrant, second quadrant without axis, right? Yeah. Since you asked one question, I will give you one question. Okay, are you ready? Kushbu only, na?
यस सर.
Yeah, I will give you one question. Okay, I'm giving you that my set A is equal to, I'm giving you set A is equal to all x comma y belong to R2 such that mod x, you may know, mod x plus mod y is equal to x plus y. Okay, mod x plus mod y is equal to x plus y. What is this? What is this? Are you okay? This is question only for you. Other
Yes.
people can think, your roommates can help you, but at the end I will ask you. After poll, I will ask you. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are the numbers, points in R2 satisfy this mod x plus mod y equal to x plus y. Okay. Now room number 4. Yeah. So can you call one person?
Avni Jain.
Yeah. Avni? Avni, are you there? Avni Jain. Okay, can you call some other person?
Pujita.
Pujita.
Yes, sir.
Pujita ji, so go slowly one by one. A0, this is 0. What is this set? Can you tell me now?
So A0 is written as x in R, x is less than R. So it will be all negative real numbers.
Okay. First of all, this is subset of which set?
So real numbers.
Real numbers, okay. So for 0, I created a set. By using 0, I created a set. Okay,
Yes,
what is that set? All real numbers less than 0. So geometrically, how I can show that? This is my 0. Yeah, tell me.
So this way, the left way, all the
Here.
numbers in left.
Here, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is my A0. Okay, good. What is A1? You only tell first.
So A1 is x in R such that x minus 1 less than 0.
So
We find it as open interval 0, 1.
It is 0, 1?
Yes, sir, open interval.
How do you know that this is the interval? How do you came to know about that?
So because if you take any negative numbers, so negative into negative will be positive. So negative numbers will not be there in the set.
Okay.
And if you take any positive numbers, either 1 or greater than 1, it will be positive. If it is 1, then 1 minus 1 will be 0. So the number will be 0. If it is greater than 1, then the number will be positive.
Okay. So what you are saying is that you draw the line and first you look at 0 and you look at the 1, right? And all the numbers less than 0 is not there, right? That's what you are saying.
Yes, sir.
So the reason you told, I'm just repeating. If a number less than 0 you took, first is 0 and 1 are there?
No, sir. They are open intervals. That's why 0 and 1 are not included.
नो दिस इज ओपन बाद में. ये सेट बाद में आ गया. पहले आप चेक करने के समय 0 है या नहीं चेक करेंगे ना आप?
Yes, sir.
0 is not there. Why 0 is not there in this set?
So 0 into anything will give us 0. But
So
it
this is 0. It's less than 0, not satisfying. 0 is not satisfying. 1
Yes.
also not satisfying. You already told 1 minus 1 is 0. So these two are not there. Then you started looking numbers less than 0. Then they are not there. The reason you told is that both x is a negative, then x minus 1 is also negative. Product of two negative is positive. Wonderful. So this portion is not there. Then you talking about greater than 1. Already 0 and 1 are not there. You talking about greater than 1. Greater than 1 matlab 1 or more, 1 point something. So it is greater than 1. Okay. Greater than
Yes.
1 means this is positive and this is positive. Product of two positive is positive. So this portion is also not there. And 0, 1 already not there. So open interval 0, 1. Wonderful. So can you call somebody in your room now? Good.
Okay.
Can
Shivali?
you hear me? So,
Shivali.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir,
Yeah, Avani,
actually,
your
my mic.
voice is very low. Your voice is very low. But even then, you want to speak something? Speak. Tell me.
Sir, I'm saying that when you took my name, I'm sorry I wasn't able to reply because my mic was not working at that time.
No problem. No, understood, madam. Don't worry at all, Avani. Yeah, we understand that. Online पे दिक्कत हो जाता है. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Yeah. Okay, I'll ask you again. But right now, one person is answering. Who is that?
Shivali.
Shivali, can you please go ahead? Can you predict A2? Right. What is in my
Yes, sir.
mind? What is A2? Can you think of?
Sir, A2 is x in R such that x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is less than 0.
Okay. Yeah, very good. Okay. Without even telling, you told that. Okay. I think your roommates discussed well. Okay, good, nice. X into x minus 1 into x minus 2 less than 0. Okay, good. So now do you tell me what is this? Do you know what is this?
Sir,
What is
as
this? So again we draw a line. Yeah, tell me.
sir,
I will not.
we have take a real number such that then we product three consecutive numbers such x into x minus 1 and x minus 2 and it comes as less than 0.
That is okay. These are consecutive in terms of what? So there is no concept of consecutive numbers and real numbers. Okay, that's okay.
Yes, sir.
Your ideas is okay, but because see between two real numbers there is another real number, right? We cannot say consecutive, right? You are adding integers. Okay, integers point of you are saying something. Don't worry, that's okay. But each point you say I need to comment also, right? Yeah. Okay, good. That is the description of this set. But what is this? Okay, tell me. You tell me this, and you can call Avani. I can call Avani. What is A0? Can you tell me what is A0? You remember A0 is all the points x belong to such that x is less than 0. Can I write A0 also in terms of intervals? What is A0?
So open interval minus infinity to 0.
Wonderful. It is also here also closed, right? Open, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, it is good. Like that, यहाँ भी मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. What is A2 equal to, right? Okay. Avani, can you now tell me what is A2 is?
Excuse
Avani.
me, sir.
Can you tell me what is A2?
X in R such that x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is smaller than 0, and all those points will be open interval minus infinity comma 0 union 1 comma 2 means
Okay.
open interval.
Okay. How do you came to know about this? Okay. What is the logic? What is the algorithm you have? How do you came to this?
So can you hear me?
No, I can hear you. Yeah. How do you got this? What is algorithm you used? Yeah.
So by the set which we have made, we can see that x is smaller than 0 and x minus 1 is also smaller than 0. It means x is smaller than 1. So
0. Okay. Yes.
we got
Okay. Okay,
Means
Avani. Yeah,
one
good.
is a
You have
positive,
answer is.
means from all these three terms, we want two positive and one negative term, so that we will get overall as a negative
Yeah,
number.
right, correct.
So if we choose
Correct.
from
Otherwise, all
between
three
one
are.
to two, yes, sir,
Yeah.
or all
Yeah.
three are negative.
Correct. Yeah, good. Nice. That is okay. Nice, understood. But also, trees try to see that. See, this is what I'm saying. You are saying that this is equal to this, right? For example, A1 is equal to open interval 0, 1 equal to Batarai. So again, you are not checking, okay? One is subset of other. A1 is subset of 0, 1 and 0, 1 is subset of this. You need to prove this also. Are you okay? You need to think like this. You are immediately concluding. That is not sufficient, okay? A1 is subset here and okay, sometimes we can use that if x belong to A1, x belong to 0, 1. Okay, if x belong to 0, 1, x belong to A1. Sometimes you are unable to prove directly, you can use contrapositive also. Try to use different techniques and complete it. Then only you are done. Are you okay, Pujita?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so without that you cannot say that. You have some idea. Okay, you are 100% clear that it is equal to this, but 0, open interval 0, 1 is not given in the problem. In the problem, it is given into x minus 1 is less than 0. So this is a new set, but these two are equal. Then you need to prove this is subset, this is subset. Okay. Pujita, can you tell me that why this is equal to this, your version? Minus infinity 0, 1, 2.
So, okay, so my version is that if we multiply any negative number 3 times, we'll get a negative number.
Okay.
Negative into negative, positive into negative is negative. So every negative real number will be included in this A2.
Okay.
And if we take an closed interval 0 to 1, if we include that also, then we get then here we'll get a positive number. This is why, because 1 minus 1 will be 0. If we include 0, then it will be 0. If he doesn't include 0 and take elements between 0
that is
to
okay.
1.
That is okay. You are also actually telling Aina what she told. Okay, so let us go like this. What you told, I'm just writing so that much more clarity may come. There are three numbers I took, 0, 1, 2. Why?
So because these are like 0, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 2 are included here. So
yeah, right. So then what is that you are considering, right? The way you are knowingly or unknowingly you are doing something. What is that you are doing? You divided the entire real line into how many parts?
4, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What are those? Region 1, region 2, region 3 and region 4. What is you are noticing? If one point is there, then for example R1 negative numbers. If
Yes.
one point is there, then all of them are there.
Yes, sir.
In R2?
Yes, sir. Because we are
R2.
doing x minus 1, x minus 2.
So if for example in R2, can you give me one number? That is anyhow
So
0 is not included, 1 is not included, 2 is not included, because if I substitute them, I will get 0.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Give
0.5.
me 0.5, 1 by 2. What happens if I take 1 by 2 and substitute?
So x will be positive as 0.5. X minus 1 will be negative as minus 0.5. And x minus 2 is also be negative, minus 1.5. So two negative numbers will give us positive number, and positive into positive will get positive.
Right. So here you are always getting positive, right?
Yes,
Here
sir.
1 to 2 you are getting negative.
Yes, sir.
This is working, and here also it is not working. So these are the sets. Good. Okay. Is it all of you clear what Pujita told? Can you tick yes if all of you are clear with? Yeah, Aina also told the same thing. It is not completely different. Aina also telling the same. Both of you are clear why this set is minus infinity 0, 1 by 2, but be clear that you need to prove subsets also. Okay, good. Now what is A3? Somebody can tell from your room. What is A3? Room number 3, you can call one more person. Room number 4, sorry. Can you call one more person?
Sonali.
Yes, sir.
A3 is what? Do you have any idea?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
discussed it?
The open interval 0, 1
Mm-hmm.
union 2,
Mm-hmm.
3. Open interval 2, 3.
2, 3. Okay. Okay. Now please try A4 also like that. Okay, all of you try A4 also. Then you will get some idea how A1 look like, A2 look like, A3 look like. In general, how AN look like. Is the question clear to you? No need to answer now. What are those? Is the question clear? Can you take guess what to do, what not to do, and all? Everyone, not only room number 2, room number 4, everyone. Is the question clear to all of you? Okay, one person not understood fully, but it's okay. Okay, good. Okay, I'm clearing all of you and we are moving next question, right? So room number 5. So A is equal to -1, 1, B is equal to 1, 2, closed interval, C is equal to 0, infinity, right? Yeah. Sonali, you have some question, please go ahead.
There's some questions are left, like what is indexing, say?
Yeah, I understand. But so can you tell me, okay, you tell me now, anyone you want to comment, you comment. You want to know, or you want to comment, or you do not know, or you, what is that? You know answer to any of other things which I am not discussed. What is indexing set here? Yeah, can you tell me that, Sonali?
Well, we can take from set of 0 to infinity means 0, 1. But
Right. You are correct. You are correct. Generally, we denote that as W, right? Whole numbers, correct?
Yes, sir.
Good, nice. This is the indexing set. For each number, whole number, I am constructing a set. That is the indexing set. Index means this X, right? This X is coming from W, A0, A1, A2, like that. Wonderful. Okay. What is the family of sets? Family of sets is written like this, right? AX such that X belongs to W. Okay. Each of them are sets, but these are subsets of real numbers. Like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Sonali. Yeah. So I hope all of you please go through each and every question and ask more questions also. Right? Yeah. Yeah. So do you allow me, Sonali? Can I go to R5 or room?
Yes, sir.
I need your. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So room number 5 people. Avani, you have some question. Avani. Yeah. Go, Avani. Go ahead.
Sir,
Avani join.
in that previous question,
Hmm.
I think we should take two indexing sets now, because for odd number we have a different an, and for even number we have a different an. So we will have two different indexing sets.
Yeah. Good. Nice. Yeah. That's okay. You try that also. Yeah. Good. Yeah. That may be a correct way to attack the problem. Yeah. And you may get ideas. Yes. So that comes only when you do some A2, A3, A4 like that. Then you will get some idea how to attack the problem. That is what you see that Kumarasan sir discussion. Sir told that see the patterns and then conclude. Mathematics is exactly see the patterns and make up some statements and then prove it. Otherwise, give a counter example. Then again make when you got a counter example, revise the statement. Then again see the patterns. Like that will prove things. Yeah, good. Thank you. Yeah. So we'll go to room number 5. Yeah. So can you call one person mentor room number 5?
Rohani? Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Because time is running, so we'll discuss few questions. Can you tell me what is A minus B?
A
is
minus B is A
Hmm.
minus is X belongs to R such that -1 is less than X less than 1.
Can you tell me this condition again, please?
Such
-1
that
is
-1 is less than X less than 1.
less than 1. Okay. Okay. So what is this set actually? What is this set? You see this set is one of these only or not, or what is that? Okay, you tell me what is A intersection B?
A intersection B is an empty set.
When A intersection B is empty, then what is A minus B? If A intersection B is empty in place, what is A minus B? Yeah, your room, you can call one person. You can take, okay, you are free. Your roommates, you can take help. You can call one person. You are free to call your roommate. Yeah, please go ahead.
A minus B indicates that all elements of A excluding the elements of B.
Right, correct.
Sir,
Okay,
it
now
is set A only.
So A intersection B is empty, then what is A minus B?
Sir, set A minus
Set
1
A
to
only,
1.
right? Yeah, set A only. Yeah, so that's why this set is A only, right? Yeah, so you expressed this like this. It is all X belong to R such that -1 is less than X is less than 1. Okay, that is exactly we got A minus B equal to A only. Okay, what is B minus A? Yeah, so
Set
honey, B, right? Because why? The same reason. A intersection B is empty, then it will be. What is C minus B? One of your roommate has to tell room number 5. What is
It
C?
would be open interval 2 to infinity.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
100% lock कर दूं?
Yes, sir.
But what about, is it 1 belongs to C? Okay,
Yes, sir.
what about 1 by 2? Is 1 by 2 belongs to C?
Yes, sir.
Is 1 by 2 belong to B?
No, sir.
Then it will be in the C minus B, right? Is it belong to 2 comma infinity? 1 by 2 belong to 2 comma infinity?
No,
Yeah,
sir.
think.
No, sir.
Tell me now. You can take your roommate help also, no issue. That is the thing. You can call a friend like that, right?
Vikya, can you explain it?
Yeah, because that is.
Sir, I think that it would be 0, 1 in open interval, union 2, infinity in open interval.
Wonderful. Okay. What you done here? You removed the B part, right? Exactly, right? So look at this. What is C means? C means all from here to infinity. What is B portion? B is this portion, right? You draw the graph, then you will understand better. This has to be there. This has to be there. Is it okay? Good. Nice. Okay. Yeah. What is B minus C? Somebody can tell me? What is B minus C? Your room only. Room number
Sir,
5.
empty set.
Empty set. Why it is empty? Can you tell me the reason? Why it is empty set?
Sir, because
Sir,
C
it
set
is
will include 1 to 2 in closed interval.
Okay. So can you generalize it and say some observation here? For
Sir,
example, I say,
Sir, it is because C is a set of positive real number and B also include the positive real number. So in that case, we have
yeah.
to manage this. So the only negative part we should get, but it is not over in B set, so that would be the empty set.
Okay, that's fine. So I'll ask one question to you. So for example, X is subset of Y. X is subset of Y. What is X minus Y? What is X set difference Y? X is subset of Y. What is X minus Y?
Sir, empty set.
Yeah. So it is independent of what are X and Y, right? Whenever X is subset of Y, X में होना है, Y में नहीं होना है. लेकिन X is subset of Y, it become empty, right? Yeah. So here I can ask all of you. So I am giving you that A minus B is empty. Okay, A minus B is equal to empty set. Then what are the different possibilities for A and B? What are the different possibilities for A and B? Are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so all of you study this, okay? Now I'm moving forward to the next question, room number 6, okay? Yeah. So room number 6, mentor, can you call one person?
Jayesh?
Yes, sir.
How A look like? Set of symmetric matrices, how they look like?
Sir, I had one doubt because a set of symmetric matrices, it was never mentioned it's 2 by 2. So
Okay,
we
that is okay. Yeah, sorry that is a mistake. Yeah. So these are all subsets of universal set likha na? U likha,
yes.
matlab universal set. So these are all subsets of that only. Yeah.
Sir, A will look like if xij is equal to xji, then it's symmetric.
Okay. It is a 2 by 2 such that you are telling that xij is equal to xji.
Ji.
What is the quantifier I have to use?
So if given any.
Given any, wonderful. Given any x comma j belong to 1 comma 2, you can extend it to any n also in general for n by n matrices. But you told very beautifully that these are all 2 by 2 matrices. इसका मतलब है 2 by 2 matrices. But symmetric definition यहाँ condition यहाँ पर आएगा. We are collecting all those matrices in which xij equal to xji. Okay. So can you tell me in other way? So it is a, can I write like this? Okay. For example, I like x belongs to M2 of R such that x is this, right?
Sir, it
Is
would
there
be
any
of the
other way?
form A, B, D,
No,
C.
that's okay. I'm not writing in terms of the elements. Is there any other way? Do you know? Okay, you know something called transpose?
Yes, sir. Like the transpose of the matrix would be equal to the matrix itself.
That means that x transpose is equal to x. X is a matrix now here, right? X belong to
Yes,
M2 of R means X is a 2 by 2 matrix. X transpose is equal to X. Okay. Can you call one person in your room?
Anshul?
Yeah. Anshul, can you tell me what is B?
So B is Xij such that given any I comma j belongs to 1 comma 2, Xij is equals to minus of Xji.
Yeah. I like also the way you answered, no? Wonderful. You are now listening what the way we done first one, and according to that you changed the overall answer also. That is very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Wonderful. Yeah. So this is very useful. All of you think, okay? We need to appreciate our friends also. Right? So we need to observe how they are telling. All these are we need to improve from ourselves. That is the goal of the discussion, right? Once you understand that, you can discuss even after the this OFCM is over. Yeah. Okay. Good. So can you call one person from your room and they can tell about S?
Khushbu?
Yeah. Kushbu, can you tell me what is S? How do you write that?
Yes, sir. So X belong, so upper triangular matrix means
Yeah.
So
So
upper
I'm
triangle
writing that as Sij, right? Such that
such that
upper triangular मतलब ये वाला यहाँ पर 0 आएगा, right?
सर ऊपर वाले
ये तो किसी भी हो सकता है. So how do you write? So only one element is 0, correct? What is that? Okay, I'll write S21 is equal to 0. Okay na? See, this is 1, 2, 0, 3. This is an upper triangular matrix. Okay, 3 by 3 होते तो और more zeros will come, but 2 by 2 में केवल this. We are collecting all matrices in which S21 is equal to 0, right? Yeah. Okay. One more question to you, since you are not fully told, so I can ask one question. What is a D? What is S intersection D? You tell me this. T is set of all lower triangular matrices.
Set,
What
sir.
is
So empty set.
no? Okay. You can call one person from your room.
Sanya.
Okay, I need to stop now. Time is running. Time is up. Yeah, but Sanya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is S intersection T? Means that matrix this entry 0, अपर ट्रायंगुलर के लिए S21 0 होना चाहिए, लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स के लिए S12 0 होना चाहिए. इंटरसेक्शन लिया. Are there matrices this 0 and this 0? Then it will be in both, right? What is this intersection? Can you give me one matrix which is in S as well as T? Can you give me one matrix?
Yes,
Give me
sir.
one.
1 0 0
Yeah, 1 0 0 1, right? Give me one more. Give me one more.
1 2 0
Yeah,
0
2 0 3, right?
3.
Yeah, this is also both upper triangle as well as lower triangle. So what are these matrices, right? That we need to think. Okay, so think about. Okay, so rule number 7. Okay, just to tell me something about this. We'll move forward because time is running. Time is now. I need to stop. Say something about, so that everyone will be clear about the question, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, sir, in
What?
set A, there will be first and third quadrant.
Very good. Okay, this portion and as well as this portion.
Axes
What
are
about
not included.
the axes are not included? Wonderful. It's okay. This is so they told very nicely. This is first quadrant and third quadrant, and the axis is not included. Right? All of you, please check. That is answer, and that may be correct. What about B?
Sir, in B, we saw the case x minus y whole square greater than equal to 0.
No. You tell me that these are also points, right? Where they lie. Are they? Can you have a point from the third quadrant?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you give me, for example, minus 2 comma 3 belong to this? That's why I gave 5 comma minus 4 I gave, but these minus 2
Sir,
comma
it can be in third quadrant, but not in second quadrant.
yeah, it cannot be in second and fourth quadrant, right?
Yes, sir.
The question is that is it A equal to B or not? Think about that. Okay. Yeah. So this is actually if you are doing properly. Yesterday I gave one question. Do you remember? X belong to R such that x plus 1 by x greater than or equal to 2. You remember?
Yes, sir.
So this is also if I take x by y is equal to z, then z plus 1 by z is greater than or equal to 2. Okay. So connect those two also. Okay. I'm going to the question number 8. Yeah. So is it anyone? Room number 8. Can you just explain the problem? We'll stop. Can you call room number 8 mentor? Can you call one person?
Nishchay.
Nishchay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So we have set xy in R such that xy is R.
Okay.
So for A0, xy equals to 0. Then either x is 0 or y is 0 or both are 0.
Okay. So
So
what is
for
A0 then?
So A0 is for xy in R, xy equals to 0.
Yeah, that is understand. You told that x equal to 0 or y equal to 0. What geometrically what is that? What is this?
Sir, x-axis or y-axis?
Correct. So it is x-axis union y-axis. Earlier problem, right? Okay, good. So that is done. What is A2?
So it will be a rectangular hyperbola. Xy belongs to R2, xy equals to 2.
Right. Okay. So where to draw those? Where those rectangular hyperbolas? Which quadrant I have to draw them?
So first and third.
Very good. So if my real number is positive, then where these hyperbolas will be there?
Yes, sir.
If they are positive, then so for example, question number 3. If R is
Yes,
positive, then
yes, sir, they will be there. And for
if it is negative,
sir, second and fourth.
yeah. So what about their union, all of them? If I union them,
Sir, R2.
the entire R2 we get, right? Yeah. So, but we need to show that, okay? If I take, for example, 2, 3, where it belongs to, we need to prove that, okay? So room number 9, I asked empty set can be written as subset of RQ like that, okay? So please discuss this also. Yeah. So for example, what is the meaning of that? So we need to write X belong to Z such that some condition, so no integer will satisfy, okay? But I give one question here. Can you write Z as a subset of real numbers? X belong to R such that some condition, okay? It is a homework problem, not for discussion. So you tell me in the next class. X belong to R such some condition here. Okay? I'll stop here. Sorry for taking a little more time. Yeah, I'll stop here.